You can see on this side as well, there is a lot of, you can make out it's a rat because you can see a small nail marks or the foot imprints. This is not a very bad sight, but you can see last time which I had made a vlog as well about the rat cake. This is the small thing that they had eaten up right there.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Mumbaikar Boy. Well, I'm going to go ahead and do this vlog is basically to see how my bike is doing after 2 weeks of not actually going ahead and looking at Layla. For the guys who do not know who Layla is, basically she's the love of my life, my bike. Of course, this ride is also going to be on a purpose, so I'm going to go ahead to go to Andheri to her medical store where my mom gets her medications. It's like a wholesale medical store in Andheri, where apparently if she buys those 6 strips from here, car, she gets it for 1,000 bucks, but if she goes and buys it from there, it's 300 to 400 bucks. So that's the only reason we're making that ride to Andheri, and also because these blood pressure tablets, we don't get them easily over here. So that's the store we know 101%. We go to one store, we're going to get it. So stay tuned, have some fun. Let's see how Layla is doing.
So as you can see, we are all ready. The bike started in one go, and yes, it's time for us to rock and roll the roads. Let's check out exactly what the roads are. If the cops are going to actually give us, chance to go out. That is the most important thing. Is the cops are going to allow us, because there's a barricade just as you hit the main roads of my area. Stay tuned, guys. That's my mother there. If they say why you're coming, just tell them that no, don't know how to go alone also. And another thing is, in case that medicine is not there, I need to know if they're giving the correct or other option. Otherwise, I cannot, others, it is a problem. So as you can see, the barricade is there, but they have opened the barricade at the moment. Let's see if we can slip out. They didn't say anything. So yes, our first block has been achieved. It's only because this bus was there, we could leave without being stopped. The barricades were opened and we were let go. You can see people are still on the road. There are a lot of people. It was not like this before. In my initial video, if you had to see, people were not roaming that much, but here you can see now people are actually roaming here and there. So we have reached Santa Cruz at the moment. We are almost approaching Santa Cruz police station. I don't see a barricade on this side of the road, but of course I see a barricade on the other side of the road. Let's see. There is a barricade actually both the sides, but the cops are more stationed on the other side, if you can see, not on this side. That is because of some, okay, those people are filling those forms over there. Actually, that is maybe the permit forms that they are filling to actually go out or leave their area. So let's see, we are almost approaching Milan subway signal. Let's see if Reliance Mall is actually open or no. So Reliance Mall on the left is closed, so it's closed. So we're almost reaching Andheri East Station. Yes, I need to take this right because go the wrong way because my mom's medical shop is on this side of the road and I don't want to go towards Andheri Station and then be stopped and questioned. So we're going to go for this side, and you can see there's a lot of people waiting actually in line for the medicines. It's right here. So I'm actually here at a pharmacy. My mom is there on the other side. I'm actually come to buy the Mortein cockroach spray and the cockroach chocolate cake. So I ultimately got what I wanted. Luckily, I'm waiting for my mom actually to finish her buying her medicines, and then we should be heading home. If you want to come to actually Andheri and want to buy your medicines at a cheaper price, this is a very nice store in Andheri. I'll show you the timing as well. There's a timing and there's a emergency contact number that you can actually see right here. So that's the store where my mom comes to buy medicines. She's right there. So guys, what I noticed is basically the rats are actually coming up the bike every day. You can see, these are the marks actually by the rats' dirty feet. So they're actually coming on the bike every day. They're not nibbled on any of the wires. That's the only reason I brought the rat cake. You can see this has become very dirty. Oh my god, I'm just waiting when this lockdown will get over and I'll actually get my engine casing polished or buff. You can see on this side as well, there is a lot of, you can make out it's a rat because you can see a small nail marks or the foot imprints. This is not a very bad sight, but you can see last time which I had made a vlog as well about the rat cake. This is the small thing that they had eaten up right there. Well, people kept asking me if the bike was having any issues or are you facing any sound in the bike. Well, I honestly am not facing any sound or any, the bike doesn't feel different. It's the same because I periodically do start my bike after every 2 weeks. I start my bike for some time. I will put an small video that is in the I button right on top. On the right hand side you will see a small I button that will give you information of how you can take care of your bike during this lockdown period. I'm basically following that and it has actually worked. So as we're out, let's go ahead and buy Thor and Harley's treats as well. The treats are getting over. I don't need to come out again to buy those treats. So we'll go ahead and buy those treats as well. To the pet store, you can see the pet store right here, Castor and Phillips. Now we have to go home, so let's see what they are saying. Cops are allowing us or not. घरी चाललेत ये माल आणायला कुत्र्यांसाठी. They allowed us to go, it was not a problem. Of course, you've seen it. Hey guys, so we have made it home. Yes, we had no problems. Only that last police check naka that was near in my area where I told him, "Me Jeevan kutrala anala gelelo." Well, do you like my Marathi? Well, thank you so much for watching the channel. Thank you so much for the love. Do subscribe for the guys who have not subscribed. There's a lot of content coming in. Of course, for the month of monsoons, I have treats over here. That's the reason Thor is barking down. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Bye. And that's Thor and Harley waiting for their treats. Sit, children. That's for Thor. Come here. Sit down. Darling, sit down. Sit down. Come here. Sit down. Good boy. Here you go. And that's Harley. Harley, here you go. Treats. Wow.